Just say welcome to WRX Garage. Today we're doing Kyle's brakes.
I'm gonna stutter. Are you set?
No.
It's fucking cold.
Yeah.
I'll say welcome to WRX. Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Welcome to WRX Garage. Or today we're gonna do Kyle's brakes. It's cold.
It's just a touch cold, guys. We're gonna be doing brakes today. Oh, flip out screen. Gloves. Okay. Dexterity. Yep. So nice and simple. We're gonna be showing you guys the ins and outs of how to replace your brake pads on your 15 to 20 WRX. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same process, the exact same calipers on a lot of other Subarus as well. So we'll include that in the title, but yeah, it's for the WRX. So what kind of pads are we putting in today?
StopTech Street.
You wanna say that to the camera?
Sorry, StopTech Street. Went for these because I don't want to do rotors yet. So I'm like, I'll go with these, see if I like the StopTech brand. If I love them, then I'll go for like the better brakes, probably in the summer, but.
All right, let's get the car lifted and we'll start on those now. So we're gonna be doing the fronts first. We got the nice new low profile Daytona jack.
Merry Christmas to us.
Merry Christmas to us, yeah. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Excuse me, bells, can you not?
You're ruining the audio.
No, I'm ruining the audio. Why? Why did I ask that?
Also, get yourself a mechanic friend that spends all their money on Snap-on tools. Best decision I've ever made.
All right, guys, so nice and simple. Replacing these guys here and also these metal shims. So we need one bolt here, one in the bottom. We slide that caliper off, and then that's about it. All right, guys, so we got two 14mm bolts.
Season tires.
Yeah, so guess what?
One
We don't
here.
need to buy tires. Yay!
And
Oh, but they're R35s.
where's it? That one. Oh,
Yo,
that was easy.
I need coils and wheels.
Yes, you do.
It needs to be tax season.
Oh. I don't know who did your brakes, but like all the other bolts in your car are way over tightened. But these came off nice and easily. So one thing you guys want to make sure you're doing when you're doing your brake swap, brake pads, this brake line here, just make sure that you're not just hanging this, you're not pulling on this. So we're just gonna put it back, hang it on your control arm there, or actually I'm gonna just tuck it, just like that. So you know there's no tension on here, it's not hanging. Now you just have access to your brake pads, and these are kind of annoying to get out, but basically you just, oh boy, here's coming apart.
Yeah.
A nice wiggly. You could put a screwdriver in there and pull it out, but I try not to do that.
It's very windy also, so sorry if the audio sucks.
There we go. Just press that pad in, get that out.
How close was I? How much left?
Got a decent amount left,
Yeah.
but they are stock pads and they're not the greatest.
Yeah.
Same thing in the back. Anybody wondering how windy it is right now? The answer is very.
Can we warm up downstairs?
Sure. So, just gonna be taking these metal shims out here. Pretty simple. Pop them out. 1 and 2. All right. That's about it. There we go. So there's 1. back. Come on. Oh, here we go. All right. Easy.
First try.
All right, so next step, gonna be doing nice and simple, getting that caliper back on, like that. But what we first need to do is make sure that these are pressed back in so we have enough room to work with, and you can't really do that with your hands just because, you know, pneumatics with a P, like the pterodactyl. So you wanna handle that, Kyle? Nope. We're lucky enough to have the nice fancy tool. Press those back. Good. Yeah, that should be good.
This thing is cool.
Oh yeah. Bolt back in. Just do one for now, just to retain that. Hold that there.
Sick.
Nope. If I remember correctly, I believe this was supposed to be around 30 foot-pounds, but I mean, we'll just do hand tight because
We'll just go with tight, yeah.
Ugga duggas, Ugga chuggas. All right, front is done. Let's move on to the backs.
Snap-on ones make you angry that there's anything else in the world.
That's why I really only buy the ratchets.
Yeah.
Well, now, at least. I don't know, this might get taken down if you don't bleep out the ESPN sound.
Do you have a long ratchet cup?
We gotta see.
Again, I could always get the tire iron in my car. Then you could just tighten them down and then...
You're saying don't torque it down with your gun?
I wouldn't, no. The electric ones aren't as forgiving as the air ones.
So I definitely needed backwards.
You can use my extension for that 3/8 and then grab a 19 for my sockets. Or
Definitely.
if Kyle has a deep 19 downstairs.
So I'm definitely needed back ones. same thing in the back, push these clips in. Backs are definitely easier, and I don't know why, but they are. Oh, single piston. So sad. So sad.
It's so much easier. You know?
Yeah. Just not easier to stop. This thing makes it so much easier.
Yeah, Kyle, you're gonna want to buy a wrench.
Yeah, it's on my list.
That's sketchy. Oh no, you just hand tighten it with that, and then drop it through the ground, and then the wheel won't move, and then you tighten the rest of it. You fucking yank that bitch, you know? Yeah. Eat that shit. It's like, well, again, I have that tire right now. I might, wheels, I might, Oh, you think that? Anybody get it? It was just like, why are you gonna eat it, but not eat it? There's any reason. As you jump on here.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna work on the other side. We'll catch you guys up when we're done.
We are all set with the brakes, all installed, everything's good. Kyle, do you want to get those bedded in a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just, you know, hammer the brakes a little bit.
Yeah.
Pump it back, get the pressure back. Oh yeah, I felt the difference.
All right, hold on.
Woo!
Wow, that's a lot better. Like, that's a lot better.
No squeaking. So street, what is it?
Steering wheel doesn't move. Pretty good.
What were the brake pads again?
StopTech Street. So far, real good. I mean, I drive on the highway a lot, so, and a lot of traffic. So I definitely, a lot of quick stops, and the way the traffic is, it's like it goes fast and then you immediately have to stop again. So it's that real annoying traffic. So I use my brakes quite a lot, and I just couldn't handle the stock ones anymore. But yeah, they slow down very, very good. Very happy with them. The only thing is, we need an access port now.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, definitely do. Yeah,
Those feel so much better than stock.
Yeah, stock ones are horrible. That was one of our complaints. Our 5 things we dislike about our cars. I think brakes were one of them. Yeah, so far brakes are good. I'm happy with it. Quick install too. I don't know why people pay to have their brakes done.
Yeah.
It's like it takes literally an hour.
So, brakes installed. Brakes are good. They feel so much better than stock.
Oh my
so,
God, so much better.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. We got another cool video coming up next. Make sure you guys subscribe and go check out the 500 subscriber giveaway video if you guys didn't yet. We're at probably around 350-ish by the time this video comes out, so be sure to go in, win some free stuff. Pretty easy.
All right. Thank you for letting us use your tools, Ryan. No problem.
Yeah, definitely get a friend that loves Snap-on. Everything is just so nice.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, I have a lovely line of sun. There we go. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.